Welcome to Come Nurses YouTube channel. Today we are discussing about some model questions and answers. First question is antidote of heparin is protamine sulfate. Second question, for a comatose patient, highest priority nursing diagnosis is ineffective airway clearance. Most reliable index of cerebral status is level of consciousness. Thermoregulatory center located at hypothalamus. Biomedical waste management rule came into enforcement in India is 1998. The first event of puberty in girls is telarche. Hormone essential for milk ejection is oxytocin. HCG is produced by syncytiotropoblast. Huge tumor-like overgrowth of scar tissue is keloid. Percentage of water in the human body is 60%. Father of antiseptic surgery is Joseph Lister. First AIDS case in India was reported in the year 1987. Fetal kidneys start producing urine at 12 weeks of pregnancy. The most sensitive measure of growth is weight. Lifespan of RBC in newborn is 80 days. These are the 15 model questions and answers. Thank you.